Huwag kang bibili dito kung ayaw mong ma-achieve ang pangarap mong bahay. Bakit? Dahil dito sa Edesha Dasmariñas, nasa prime location ka lang naman na may iba't ibang house model na pagpipilian at pwede sa pag-ibig at bank financing. At lahat ng unit ay may car garage. So don't skip this video dahil baka ito na ang hinahanap mong dream house. House tour muna tayo sa pinakasulit na bahay dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. If not the most solid house here in Cavite. Wait, what? Ang Edesha Dasmariñas is isang premier residential community na matatagpuan sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Narito ang ilang detalye. Lokasyon. Maganda ang lokasyon nito dahil malapit ito sa pangunahing establishmento tulad ng paaralan, shopping centers at parks. Perfect ito para sa pamilya at mga nagtatrabaho. Mga unit, may iba't ibang house models na available, kaya may pagpipilian para sa iba't ibang pangangailangan ng pamilya. Mga amenity, may mga amenities tulad ng parks, playground at recreational areas na nagbibigay ng magandang karanasan sa pamumuhay at nagpo-promote ng community bonding. Kalikasang espasyo, pinapahalagahan ng Edesha ang balanse sa pagitan ng urban living at kalikasan. Kaya may mga landscape areas na nagbibigay ng sariwang hangin at magandang tanawin. Kung may iba pang mga katanungan o gustong malaman, huwag mag-atubiling magtanong or message me on my Facebook account, Evangeline Tumas Ramos, or chat me on my messenger account for quick reply. Thank you for watching and see you again for my next house tour video of house model of Edesha Dasmariñas. For now, house skill model tour lang muna tayo. In Edesha Dasmariñas, you can choose from several model units. In Phase 2, we have Aria, Talia, and Gaia. These units are designed to cater to different family sizes and preferences, making it easier to find your perfect home. Edesha has also Edesha Heights. It's a vibrant community located in Dasmariñas, Cavite. There are several model units to choose from, including Fuji, Yuri, and Hasu. It's designed to cater to different family needs. Edesha Heights is all about creating a sense of belonging and connection among its residents.